How to use screen mirror on iOS with Dr.Fone. Screen mirroring is a convenient method that allows you to directly display content from a smaller screen onto a larger screen effortlessly. Although various services claim to offer screen mirroring for iOS devices, they often lack accuracy and efficiency. In this guide, we will focus on the reliable and efficient wireless connection of iOS devices using Wondershare Dr.Fone. So without any further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Open Dr.Fone and access screen mirroring function. Launch Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer and proceed to connect your iOS device for successful mirroring. Before you get started, navigate to My Device Wireless to establish a connection with the iDevice. For the first time, you will have to connect your iDevice to a USB. Once the connection is established, redirect to screen mirror from the left panel. When you scan the QR code on computer screen, you will be directed to install Dr.Fone link on your iPhone. Step 2. Scan the QR code to connect with Dr.Fone link. Open Dr.Fone link and tap on Scan QR code icon on the top right to continue. Ensure the mobile and computer are connected over the same local area network. Step 3. Screen prompted for initiating mirroring connection. You will be redirected to a new screen where the mirroring connection will be established. On your computer, observe the Dr.Fone has prompted a successful mirroring connection. Click End Mirroring to conclude the process whenever required. Step 4. Start broadcast from iPhone. Similarly, on your iPhone, you will be prompted to initiate broadcasting to initiate mirroring of your iDevice. On a computer, tap Start Broadcast and continue with the prompt on the screen to initiate the mirroring connection. Step 5. Device mirrored successfully. Once the screen comes in the display, you can find a proper message conveying connection of your iDevice with the computer. Until the connection is established, you can see a red color in the background of your device time. Step 6. Take screenshot and observe mirroring on the PC. Meanwhile, the screen will be mirrored to the computer and displayed in Dr.Fone Air. On the mirrored screen, you can take screenshot on the PC of the device screen with the screenshot button. You can also rotate the screen if needed. Please ensure that you will never miss our latest update about this amazing featured, fully loaded app, Dr.Fone, that is always giving you the best possible features that you can take the best out of your devices. So please go like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to comment if you have any other question. And we are also coming up with some more and fun videos, so please stay tuned. See you in the next video.